It's that you go, no, she on the flow. Yeah, It's that
Hello, what's up guys, it's me Pranish from Gadget Explorer, and guys, today in this video we are just going to talking about how we can create an awesome intro like a biggest YouTubers. So without any further ado, let's get started in the video. You can see I'm back in my PC and in the first process of to make an intro, so you have to just open up your Chrome in your PC or any of the browser which you use, and you have to go in the search bar and you have to search panzoid.com, Panzoid, panzoid.com. Yeah, you have to just search the panzoid.com and you have to just enter it, and after searching that you will got an interface like this. As you can see, here are the clip art, background or the video editor. So it is must used to make a clip art, and as you can see here are many of the clip arts, and you can go to more creation also. Let's select the more creations and find what I like. So as you enter in the more creation, as you can see up here are the more and more creations. So guys, I will take any of them. So I will select this one, and after selecting that, just you have to click on open in clip maker. So after opening it in a clip maker, it will take some time to be load. It will depending on your internet speed how much time it will take time to be load. So now guys, as you can see, it's loaded. So guys, you to check our intro how it's going to be look, so you have to just click on this eye, and after clicking I, it will be becoming on the red, and you have to just play and see how it looks. So let's play and see how it looks. So guys, you have seen your intro how it's looking so much nice. So now you have to just go as this side, and you have to just click on menu, and you have to just go to objects, and you have to click on object, and you have to find the text, and you have to change that text into your channel name. So we are going to find the text. Let's find the text and let's change the name. So I have found the text where it is on. So you can scroll it down and find the text. So let's start and check the text where it is. So we have to go down and scroll it down and check. So we got the first text, and you have to change all of the text guys, because one is like a shadow for it. So our topic is intro, so I am setting on intro. So intro, it's perfect. So you have to check on the down one also. If your channel name is Gadget Explorer, so you can click the Gadget Explorer and many more. If good anything you have, so you can, and you have to press the enter, and again you have to go and select the 3D text, and just you have to text whatever your channel name is. So I'm texting it intro, and let's play and see how it looks. So guys, I'm going to play this. So guys, as you can see, it's so nice, and it is showing the text. So let's stop it and let's go to the downloading process. Or we can download in our phone, sorry, in PC. So going to the downloading process, here is an mode option that there is balance, good quality, extremely quality. So I think balance is good for me. And in the formats you have many more options. One is two option, WEBM and MKV. So MVK is an good one, so I'm supposing you to select the MKV. So we have to click on now start rendering your video. So we are clicking it, and after some time you are seeing it started to download, the blue line coming on here, and it is calculating a time, how much time it will be taking up. So as you can see now, it's going on, moving on. So guys, let's meet up when it's completed. So guys, as you can see, I'm back in my PC and here are two options: download your video or return to your video. So we have to just click on download your video, and just we have to click on download your video, and the new page will be open up and it's downloaded, and in some time you can see in your the screen it started. So guys, as you can see, our intro is looking so nice. So I'm supposing you all to download the intro from here. There is some problem in my computer, so it's not playing nicely. So as you can see, it's so nice. So guys, bye bye, have a good day, and last but not the least, I want to say that please subscribe to my channel to get a more update video. I will bring a more updated technical videos and the gaming videos for you all. So if you wanted to get a more videos, so you have to subscribe my channel. There is a red button down one, so you have to click on that. I'm the new YouTuber, so without your support I cannot be grow. So you have to click on the subscribe, and please subscribe to my channel if you like the video. So press on like and do not forget to comment, and if you need any of the help, so you can comment down below and ask me with me for any help. So bye bye guys, have a good day.